Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Yesterday we were watching that the price line was breaking out this resistance of the bearish pennant, but again dropped at the same support of the pennant which was broken out. So this was another fake out to the upside. Like previously we had one fake out to the downside. Now we have one fake out to the upside, and we are at the very end of this pennant. But at the same time, we have broken out the bigger support. I'll show you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this smaller time frame chart. We entered in this pennant here back in on 1st of April 2022, and finally we were breaking out. We even broke out yesterday, but again we moved back inside this pennant, and right now you can see the price line is bounced by the support of the pennant, and it is very squeezed. So at any time it can again start another move to break out or break down this pennant. And before that, we have already seen this breakdown to the downside. That was a fake out, and here we have one more fake out now. But if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then here we have already seen that we have broken out a very big channel, and we were also following a rising wedge pattern as well. This was the support of the pattern, and this is the resistance of the rising wedge pattern. And you can see that we are just breaking down the support of this rising wedge pattern. But if the price line breaks out this pennant once again, then it will be very helpful for the price line on the daily time frame to reverse back and re-enter the same rising pattern once again. And we also have a very strong support. I've been telling you in my previous video at $39,500. And right now we are also below than that support, and the target to the downside after this breakout for this bigger rising wedge pattern can be here at the bottom of the pattern. That will be approximately at $33,000, and there we have a very strong support. For example, let me place this trend line here. We can see that this was the recent swing low before this breakout from this bigger channel, and we can see that previously this $33,000 has been breaking as a support here, as a support here, as a support here, as a support here, and as a support or resistance. Here it worked as a slight support and a resistance here as well. So again, it can work as a nice support if the price line drops there. But in case the price line drops here, in that situation, the hidden bullish divergence that I have been showing you that we have on this daily time frame chart can be removed from the chart, because we can see so far the price line is forming a higher low than previous low, and the stochastic has formed lower than previous low. Even the RSI is forming lower than previous low, and if the price line drops here, then it will form lower than previous low, and this hidden bullish divergence will be no more valid. So next few hours are again very important. We are again at the support of the same pennant, and breakout from this pennant can be very helpful, and that will be the big sign that we can expect a reversal from here, and the price line may re-enter inside this wedge. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.